Welcome to Coloring Stars. Hello, little artists. Today we are going to draw and color a big, round, and happy pumpkin. But wait, this is a special pumpkin. It's not just orange, it's a rainbow pumpkin. Wow! So many beautiful colors. Are you ready to color our rainbow pumpkin? Let's go! First, let's color one part red. Wow! Red is so bright. It looks like a shiny apple. Now let's pick orange. Oh, this is the color of a real pumpkin. Next, let's color yellow. Yay! Yellow is like the bright sun. Now, let's color the next part green. Green is fresh like grass and leaves. Time for blue. Wow! Blue is like the sky and the ocean.
Yellow basket, I wrote a letter to my love, and on the way I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Next, let's use purple. Purple is so pretty. It looks like grapes. Now let's add some pink. Blue. Orange. Our pumpkin is almost ready. Our rainbow pumpkin looks amazing. But wait, let's add some fun patterns. Let's draw some lines here. Now dots.
I dropped it, I dropped it, and on the way I dropped it. A little boy, he picked it up and put it in his pocket.
Now wavy lines. Dots for green part. Again, wavy lines for blue part. Again, tiny dots for purple part. again lines for final parts.
Hush, little baby, don't say a word. Mama's gonna buy you a mockingbird. And if that mockingbird don't sing, Mama's gonna buy you a
Yay!
diamond ring.
Our rainbow pumpkin is ready. You did an amazing job. Now our pumpkin looks so colorful and happy. See you next time for more fun coloring. Bye bye, little artists.